This question is very easy. It just looks tricky, okay? So here's how to approach it. So we have 7 to the power x plus 1 equal to 1, okay? Now, before we can find the value of x, we have to make sure the bases are the same. So if the bases are the same, then we can equate the exponents, okay? So we have 7 to the power x plus 1 equal to 1. But 7 is not equal to 1, therefore we cannot equate the exponent. So how are we going to do it? It is very, very simple. How can we convert this 1 here into a power of 7? Now, before I show you the trick, I want you to smash the like button and subscribe if you want to keep seeing more videos like this, because you don't want to miss the next one, okay? So let's move on. So this reminds us of the property when you have a to the power 0, it is equal to 1, where a represents any number. So any number to the power 0 is 1. So 2 to the power 0 is what? 1. 100 to the power 0 is 1. 7 to the power 0 is 1. So meaning we can convert this 1 to 7 to the power 0, which will make the bases to be the same. So let me rewrite the question. We have 7 to the power x plus 1 equals 7 to the power 0. Now this 1 becomes 7 to the power 0. So then, because the bases are the same, we can equate the exponents, okay? So equating the exponent is going to be x plus 1 equal to 0. So we subtract 1 from both sides of the equation. So x plus 1 minus 1 equal to 0 minus 1. So this becomes 0. So x equal to negative 1. So meaning the value for x in this equation is negative 1. But let's test it before you go. Let's test it to see if it's true. So to test it, let's rewrite the question, which is 7 to the power x plus 1 equal to 1. So in place of x, we substitute negative 1. So you're going to have 7 negative 1 plus 1 equal to 1. So 7. Now negative 1 plus 1 is going to give us 0, okay? So you're going to put 0 here equals 1. And we know 7 to the power 0 is equal to 1, okay? So 7 to the power 0 is 1 equal to 1. So that is correct. So meaning the value for x given 7 to the power x plus 1 equal to 1 is negative 1.